Hello everyone. Going to be doing a windshield wiper replacement on a BMW X5. This is a 2014, so this is an F15 model. What I like to start with always is making sure that I protect the windshield. This area of the windshield wiper is metal, so for some reason when you take the windshield wiper off, that snaps back and hits the windshield. It's almost a guaranteed crack, and you don't want that because it'll cost you anywhere from $500 to $1,500 to replace it, depending on the windshield that you have. So what we have here is this is an aftermarket windshield wiper, but it should work the same way as OEM. It should be a little clip on the front here, which you can lift up just like that. Then you slide the windshield arm. See if I can do this with one hand. Up. There you go. The windshield arm, you see, has a little U connector on the bottom. So it's pretty simple. This is what I was talking about here. If this comes back and hits the windshield, not good. It won't be a good day. Saving $50 replacing your own windshield wiper, but you're going to wind up paying a few $100 replacing the windshields. So what you want to do is position the new windshield wiper like that, pull it till it snaps into place, and then put the little clip down. And that's it. It's really done. Get rid of the foam, and you're all set to go. Hopefully that helped. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I have a bunch of videos for BMWs and Teslas and other cars in here as well, and Jeeps. Okay, thank you so much.